This robot moves smoothly without PID and without any encoders. But that should not be possible because without feedback systems, robots usually move in a very rough and unstable way. So instead of adding expensive hardware, I focused on software behavior. This robot runs on an Arduino Uno and basic BO motors. I have used a totally non-blocking control system for this. The key idea is smooth differential steering. Instead of binary left-right motion, the steering changes gradually. This creates smooth curves and more natural movement. But again, movement is only one part of the system. The robot is running multiple behaviors simultaneously: obstacle avoidance, follow behavior, and directional sensing using a servo-mounted ultrasonic sensor. The robot is controlled through a custom Bluetooth app with mode switching, manual control, and telemetry feedback. This project was never about building the most advanced robot. It was about building a reliable system under constraints and proving that smart behavior does not always require expensive hardware. This is the current version of Nexus 1, and this is where the system evolves next. This is Nexus Tech Labs. Thank you.